Hi, it's Hans. It's February 2023. I'm here in Gran Canaria. And I just want to say quickly, briefly to my English-speaking friends about this winter's focus that I've had with some friends on health and weight reduction here in Gran Canaria. I realized that if we don't have health, if we don't have leanness in our bodies to be able to work on our missions, whatever that may be, my mission is for truth and saving people, then if we don't have that, we can't do what we really want to do. So we have to focus on our own health first. We have to put that as number one. I came down here in November last year weighing 116 kilos. And today I'm under 100 kilos. So I feel amazing. I've lost weight, I've gained health, both physically and mentally, in camaraderie, in insights. I've read a lot, I've heard good podcasts, motivating, uplifting, good stuff. And my mission now is that we will be able to recreate this for a lot more people here in Gran Canaria and set up a health center. I've done multiple videos about this in Norwegian, so if you master Norwegian or close to it, you can find those videos on both my Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, BitChute and other channels. But the essence of it is that we need to find a place up in the mountains, far away from all kinds of temptations when it comes to food, drinks, friendly settings. The friendly settings are very, very dangerous, you know. Can't you just join us for dinner this just one day, you know? Because my philosophy when it comes to health and weight reduction is very much centered on fasting and ketosis. And what food you eat should be healthy and sound. And fasting and ketosis is great, amazing, but it has some things that needs to be controlled. You have emotional swings, you get cravings, and it needs to be a system where when you have a craving for something, and also for someone, but if you have a craving for something, there needs to be a way to deal with that craving so that you just don't go to the local gas station and buy a Coca-Cola, because that's what you're not supposed to do. So you need a system where there are things prepared already that you can eat that aren't really, really bad, but that will stop your craving. Maybe something with stevia or other kinds of sweeteners, or whatever it may be. If it's smoking that you're craving, then maybe there's something to do, fix that. And if it's alcohol or beer you're craving, maybe there's a way to just have one sip, a cold sip, or with a friend or something, you're allowed to open a beer and do one guggle, you know, and then put it away. But if you do it by yourself, then it's very, very difficult to be hard enough not to finish the beer or finish the Coca-Cola. But if you're with friends in a supportive group, so it's the practical thing of it, it's the psychological thing of it, it's the camaraderie, it's the system around it. Also, you know, if you have a craving, there are ways to just be distracted by something, a hot bath, or singing a song or something like that. And this is what I want to create here, we want to create here, a center for health, for weight reduction, for camaraderie, for physical health, for mental health, for education, here in the sunny Isle of Gran Canaria every winter for the years to come. I need help. I've reached out in Norwegian. I need help to do this. So if you are able to finance to buy a center, this is the most first primary thing we need. We need the center to manifest the idea and everything around it. Then please reach out. If you can borrow us the money or buy us the place outright, or you know, please help out. There are people out there with big financial resources where buying a center here for the kind of money we need, it should be possible, especially if you see the benefit of this health focus yourself. So this is what we want to do. I am living proof that it's possible. I lost more than 16 kilos this winter. I could have lost more, and my health could have been even better if I had a program that I would have joined, because there have been several times this winter where I unfortunately have broken the hard system. I broke it on Christmas evening, on New Year's evening. When you have friends around you and things, you know, it's easy to fall out of it, and you need the mental focus, the mental stamina to keep going. And the program that I want to create around that is just focused on that, helping each other, staying strong, having backup plans, having craving plans, all of that. So please spread the word, please give comments, please reach out if you can help make that happen. We want to make young people come down, grown-ups, and the thing is also that it is possible now to go to a health camp or a weight reduction camp in Switzerland and pay hundreds of euro every night. But we want to make a very, very simple system. I've been sleeping in caves, I've been sleeping in tents, very, very basic, very basic. And fasting is free. You don't eat anything. You just drink tea maybe. It's totally free. And eating healthy is actually necessarily not so expensive when you do it in a systematic way. Down here we buy the groceries, preferably directly from the source, and cook together healthy food. So I want to make it a low cost offer to people, and to the young people that we want to reach out to, preferably maybe no cost, you know, to just save lives. I'm so saddened to see all the young people with the Coca-Cola fatness and the soda fatness. We have to do something about that. So we must have and offer a new way to think about it, a new psychology, to be role models for a different way of living, and that's what I'm trying to do. So with that, I don't do so many videos in English anymore. I really should try to do more videos in English. Right now we're focusing a lot on, you know, people have ideas about health, ideas about weight reduction that obviously don't work. You can just look at these people and see that they're overweight and their health is not good. So one of the things I really am thinking about a lot is how we start to call out each other's bullshit in a much more frank and direct manner, without taking it as attacks on our personality or who we are, or taking it in a good way, because we all carry around so much bullshit, and all the bullshit in the world is actually one of the main problems in the world. We have to do something about all the bullshit, because the bullshit in the small things carries upwards to bullshit in the really, really big things. So we accept bullshit in, you know, not calling out each other's food habits and drinking sodas and beer and all that, and then this bullshit, acceptance for bullshit, makes us accept the bullshit when we, you know, do the unnecessary jabbings or go to war in countries far away that we have little to do with. The bullshit. We have to call out bullshit in the big and the small, and if we all call out a lot more bullshit and fix the bullshit, then everything will be better. So that's the postcard from Gran Canaria, February 2023. I'll soon be heading home. I was 116 kilo when I came down in November. Now I'm under 100. I said to myself when I came down in November, I will go home under 100 kilo, and that's accomplished now. Fantastic. I feel amazing. I feel younger, healthier, fantastic, and I want to share this experience with so many people are suffering, so many people are overweight, their health is bad, and especially in Northern Europe, you know, it's very, it's not conducive to health. The supermarkets with all the branded plastic food, the entertainment, sitting at home watching TV, the bad weather. There's room here in Gran Canaria. Look at this, you know, there's room. There are beaches with hardly anyone on them. There are mountains. Look at these mountains. There's so much space for everyone who wants to come. We just have to facilitate it. Easy. Living in caves, living in tents like I've done this winter. It's fantastic. Please like and share, and reach out if you can contribute, to help out in some way, or if you want to come down and participate. We'll do these camps now. I've done these camps, been here on Gran Canaria for every winter for more than 20 years. Not the 2 COVID years, but 20 years straight. So I will continue to do that, and we'll do it more and more organized, and we can help you with your health, we can help you with your weight. So reach out. Thank you.